Students, we are going to start the new chapter, that is magnetism and matter. In this video, we are going basically to study the base of this chapter. So first of all, what is magnetism? The phenomena of attracting magnetic substances like iron is called magnetism, and the substance which attracts the magnetic substances is called magnet. Magnets are broadly classified as electromagnet and natural magnet. Electromagnets are temporary magnets, and the strength of electromagnet can be changed by changing the current through the magnitude through the coil or core which is going to produce the magnetic field. The second one is natural magnet. It is a permanent magnet and its strength cannot be changed. Students, whether it is electromagnet or natural magnet, both have certain characteristics. Number one, attractive characteristic. A magnet attracts small pieces of magnetic substances like iron. The attraction is maximum near the two ends of the magnet, and the force of attraction is zero at the center. The two ends where attraction is maximum are called poles. A magnet has two poles, north pole and south pole. Second property is directive property. If we suspend a bar magnet freely, then it always comes to rest in north-south direction. It is due to Earth's magnetism. The third property is isolated magnetic pole does not exist, or you can say we cannot separate the poles of a magnet. If we break a magnet into two pieces to separate north and south pole, then each piece will become an individual magnet. Next property is like poles repel each other and unlike poles attract each other. The next important property is repulsion is the short test of magnetism. The last one is a magnet can magnetize a magnetic material. Suppose some iron nails are placed in contact of a magnet, then after few hours these nails will also get magnetization, or they will also become tiny magnets. This phenomena is called magnetic induction. Some important terms. Students, remember that pole of a magnet never exist at the end of the magnet. Poles are little bit shifted inside the magnet, shown in the figure by cross. The distance between the poles of a magnet is called magnetic length, and the total length of the magnet is called geometrical length. Then the term is magnetic field. The region surrounding a magnet in which its influence can be experienced is called magnetic field. If at every point the magnitude and direction of magnetic field is same, then magnetic field is called uniform magnetic field. Uniform magnetic field in the plane of paper is shown by parallel lines. Magnetic field normal to plane of paper inside is shown by cross. Uniform magnetic field normal to plane of paper outward is shown by dots. Students, the line joining the two poles of a magnet is called magnetic axis, and the line passing through center of the magnet and perpendicular to magnetic axis is called magnetic equator. These were some basic terms to study before the starting of this chapter. So the next topic in this chapter will come magnetic field lines. So next video will be on the topic magnetic field lines.